Hello friends, today we will study the very important questions of auditing. Question number 1. The main object of an audit is depend on the types of audit. The title of Auditing Assurance Standard 2 issued by the Council of ICAI is Objective and Scope of the Audit of the Financial Statement. Concurrent audit is a part of internal audit system. In India, balance sheet audit is synonymous to annual audit. Audit in depth is synonym with detailed audit. Which auditing assurance standard deal with the audit planning? Auditing Assurance Standard 8. Audit program is prepared by the auditor and his audit assistants. Audit report on public sector units are sent to concerned ministries or department. Control risk is assessed at financial statement assertion level. The performance of the test of control of document is working paper. Question number 11. How many principles are issued in Auditing Assurance Standard 1 which governs auditors' professional obligation? 9. Auditing standard differ from audit procedure is that procedure relate to act to be performed. The most typical type of misstatement to detect fraud is based on omission of a sale transaction from being recorded. Professional skepticism requires that the auditor assume that the management is neither honest nor dishonest. Question number 15. An auditor who accepts an audit but does not possess the industry expertise of the business entity should obtain knowledge of matters that relate to the nature of entity's business. The least important element in the evaluation of an audit firm's system of quality control would refer to system of determining audit fees. The branch auditor is appointed by shareholder in general meeting. Question number 18. For all audit of financial statement made in accordance with AAS 14, the use of analytical procedure is at the discretion of the auditor. In which stage substantive testing? What are the analytical procedures? Substantive test designed to study relationship between financial and non-financial. Question number 20. When applying analytical procedure, an auditor could develop independent estimate of an account balance to compare it to prior year audited balance adjusted for trend in the country. In an audit of financial statements, substantive tests are audit procedure that may be test of transaction, test of balance, and analytical procedure. Question number 22. The nature, timing, and extent of substantive procedure is related to assessed level of control risk directly. The working paper which auditors prepare for financial statement audit are owned by the auditor. The quantity of audit working paper is complied on engagement would most be affected by auditors' experience and professional judgment. Question number 25. Which best describe the primary purpose of audit program preparation? To gather sufficient appropriate evidence. Question number 26. For what minimum period should audit working paper be retained by audit firm? For a period auditors opines them to be useful in servicing the client. Question number 27. The current files of the auditor's working paper generally should include a copy of financial statement. Knowledge of the entity's business does not help the auditor to reduce inherent risk. The main advantage of using statistical sampling technique is that such technique mathematically measure risk. Who is responsible for the appointment of statutory auditors of a limited company? Members of the company. Which section deals with qualification of the auditors? Section 22, Section 226(1) and Section 226(2). The board of directors shall appoint first auditor of a company which is 1 month of incorporation within 1 month of incorporation of the company. Question number 33. The terms of auditorship of first auditor would be from the date of appointment till the conclusion of first annual general meeting. In case the director fail to appoint first auditors, the shareholder shall appoint them a general meeting. Life Insurance Corporation of India holds 25% of subscribed capital of XYZ Limited. The appointment of statutory auditor in XYZ Limited would be by special resolution. ICICI Prudential, a life insurance company, hold 32% of subscribed share capital of Delta Limited. The statutory auditor of Delta Limited would be appointed by ordinary resolution. If a casual vacancy in the office of an auditor arises by his resignation, it should only be filled by the company in a general meeting. For the purpose of Section 2241B, the members of a partners of a firm which shall be taken into accounts would be as on the date of acceptance of audit. Question number 39. The auditor of government company is appointed by the C&AG. His remuneration is fixed by the shareholder. The section which contain provision regarding remuneration of the auditor is section 2248. The authority to remove the first auditors before the expiry of term is the shareholder in a general meeting. The retiring auditor does not have a right to speak as a member of the company. A statutory auditor has a right to assess at all time to books, accounts and voucher of the company. The principal auditor, as per clarification issued by the ICAI, does not have any right to inspect working paper of the branch auditor. Under which of the following section auditor has a duty to inquiry into 6 specified matter and report by exception section 2271A. Question number 46. Right to visit branches has been given to the auditors under which section? Section 2284. When issuing unqualified opinion, the auditor would evaluate the audit findings should be satisfied that the estimates of the total likely misstatement is less than materiality level. Special audit is conducted at the order of the central government. Which section gives such power? Section 242A. The date of auditor's report should not be earlier than the date on which the accounts are approved by the management. Question number 50. The management of a company to which accounting standard 3 is not applicable does not include statement of cash flow in its annual report. The auditors should express unqualified opinion. Then friend, I hope that it will be very useful to you. Therefore please share, subscribe and like our channel for getting the notification of our new videos. Thank you very much.